Hey guys, what's happening? How to find Telegram user ID. So go ahead and open up your Telegram, and then go ahead and click the settings gear at the bottom right. You're gonna find your username or your Telegram user ID, right, under your name, and you're gonna of course find the phone number, right? And this can be used to find or add someone or follow a channel on no, actually, if you want to follow a channel or join or subscribe to a group, you need to have a link or invitation at least. So if you ought to add individual on Telegram, you can add them via their phone number, right, automatically, or their user name. So I'm gonna go ahead to the chat if you want to pin down the actual number, and then search for raw data bot. Again, raw data bot. And then you're gonna go ahead and click start or type start, and you're gonna see the ID in the first name, last name, and the username. So this is my user ID. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.